Bonafide Hustler here. I am actually at someone's garage sale right now, Saturday morning, and we are going to start off a garage sale vlog. What's up, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the outside of someone's garage sale, like right at someone's garage sale. So I did buy something for $1. A Cortec motorcycle jacket, pretty cool, perforated, so perfect for upcoming summer, and should sell for like $50 to $100 locally. My girlfriend's in there and she's looking at some boots. I did pass on a bike that's over there. It's a Bianchi, like a small frame steel bike. Anyway, it's 20 bucks. I passed on it just because we're looking for like bigger flips, you know. Outside of that, it's a beautiful morning, overcast, and we're gonna give it our best shot. We're gonna see what these boots are that my girlfriend picked up, and we're gonna go down the road and see about 5 more garage sales, maybe 6. And maybe we can have a lot of fun on this vlog and find some cool things.
Thanks.
Did you get them? So who makes those?
Tony Lama.
Tony Lama?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Cool.
$5.
Nice. That'll go in the booth and sell for like 50 plus right there. Actually about 50 bucks, right on 50 bucks. Stuff in the back of that. Oh, I got the sprinklers. From that garage sale, I got a bunch of sprinkler stuff because, you know, I'm about to go to Amazon and buy this stuff regardless for my lawn. So $2 for all this sprinkler stuff, and I was gonna probably spend up to like 50 bucks for this stuff, maybe even more. But I need this and a hose, so I saved myself 50 bucks. $2 for all this stuff, and let's go to the next garage sale. Pull up to the next garage sale, and it doesn't look that good, but you know, we only have like 6 to see today, and any one of these can be a gold mine, so we're gonna check it out. I do see an Xbox steering wheel, which is kind of interesting, but I don't see any of the cables with it. We're gonna do a quick stop at this one. It won't be that great. When you do this for over 20 years, you trust your hunches, basically, if you know what I mean. We're at an estate sale. I just bought 2 bikes. So we're about to buy 2 bikes, but there's all this stuff around here. All kinds of bags. You know I love my bags. All kinds of stuff here. These things are really awesome. Fireplace log holders, 40 bucks. It's gonna be worth it if I can talk them down. Wow, what a cool house and a cool pool in the back. Jeez. Fender Squire. This camera, for example, 120 bucks. It could be really good money in some of these little compact point and shoots, but looks like they're onto it. So these are the 2 bikes right here. We paid $77 out the door for them, and this one right here will probably just sell as is for like 100 bucks, maybe 120. It needs like some grips, and then it's kind of sticky up here, and we're just gonna sell it with flat tires. But this one right here, this giant Cypress, will probably go for like 200 to 300 bucks. It's a step-through frame women's bike, great condition. It's all like in really good condition, so we know this one's gonna be the winner right here. All right, next garage sale is this one right here. Okay, so I walked out from that garage sale and I got this vintage J. Crew kind of flannel slash jacket. It's got a pleated interior. This is pretty neat. This could, you know, be 50 to 100 bucks, but it's nice. I don't usually ever buy J. Crew, and this one is in really good condition. The next garage sale is right here. Beautiful day now, gosh. And let's see if we can find anything. Hello. Old shoes. Yeah, that's too bad. I would have sported these at the gym. Okay, we're gonna leave there and bet on getting some eggs at the farmer's market, and then there's a garage sale close to the farmer's market in a really good part of town that we're gonna check on. We went to the farmer's market and now we're at the next garage sale right here. See a bike, looks like a Trek or maybe a Giant. A lot of stickers, which I hate. I hate gunning stickers off. Maybe maybe we can find something at this garage sale. You never know. And then at further inspection of this bike, we figured out that, yeah, it's just a little too much and it's too old. Plus, there was 2 different sorts of shifters on the top handlebars, so it was just a pass. And yeah, it's a shorter video, I know. But that's where the garage sale ended, and we found some things. We just didn't kill it. But I think next weekend and the weekend after that, we'll pretty much kill it. But it's still really good to go out because I've done well in scenarios where there have only been 2 or 3 garage sales in a day. And so on this day, we saw about 6, and it was just, you know, we found some cool things. I just like super crazy stuff. And I think the J. Crew flannel, for me, was the coolest thing. What do you think? Put a comment down below, and I always answer the comments on day 1. I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.